So we have an old stump in the yard and we want to get rid of it. So you can have somebody grind it out, probably around my area, 75 bucks per stump, something like that. So what we are going to do is we are going to dig around it and cut it off below the surface and then fill it over with dirt. So let's try that. Alright, so we are digging around it. Let me go get the tripod and show you some of that. So today, boys and girls, we are using the Poulan Pro. That's French. It's the PP4218A 42cc. We're going to chop this stump up below the surface, and so we can mow right over top of it instead of mow around it. Then we have to weed whack around it. So we are using the Poulan Pro. That's French. Now we can mow over it. Ooh, found a little critter. Where'd he go? Alright. He can make his new home. Alright. Got the new critter home. Alright, so we went out and got some topsoil. Hey, this is Rich with Mowers and Blowers OutDone. Psh. Hey, thanks for joining me on this special edition. Removing a stump with the chainsaw and a few tools laying around the house. You too can save money. Hey, we got all this stuff here to save you money. Give you a thumbs up. Hey, we'll see you at the auction.